So over here you can see that I have some images and photos, and if you want to edit the photo, then you can click on any one of the photo that you want to edit. So I'm just going to go around over here and click on this photo right here. So you can see that I am viewing the photo now. So if you want to edit out this photo, then you can go around over here and on the top, and here you can see there's basic editing option, like you can go around and rotate out the photo right here. And what you can also do is crop out this photo right here, as you can see. So once you crop this out, these are the basic edits that you can do, and you can save this out over here. But when I actually go around and click on crop, it actually opens up the photo editor within photos right here. So you can also access that out by going into edit and create. And here you can see that you have the edit option right here. You can also draw on the photo right here. You can add an animated text and so forth. But let's just go around and click on edit right here. So once you go around into edit, so the first thing that you can do is crop it out according to how you like it. And over here you have the flip option right here as well. And you can select out the aspect ratio for the cropping according to how you like it as well. And rotate out the picture however you like. You can go on the top and you can go around and straighten this out, meaning you can go around and change the angle of the photo over here. And you can go to filters as well. And in filters, there are various options, as you can see. So you can go around, change around the intensity of the picture over here. That is the intensity of the picture as well, according to how you like it. You can decrease, you can increase, and so forth, as you can see, to get the look you want. So once you do that around over here as well, you can go to adjustment, and here you can see that there's different options right here. You can increase the contrast of the picture right here. You can increase the exposure of the picture, change around the highlights of the picture, that is the bright areas of the picture, and work around with the shadows of the picture, that is the dark area of the picture, to have a bit of a balance over here as well. So you can really do some quick editing, as you can see. You can change out the tint to green or to pink right here. You can change around the warmth color or make the picture a little bit more cool right here, according to how you like. And you can increase the clarity for some sharpness, and add in a vignette over here at the end to make the edges black or white. If you have any, let's say for example, red eye error, you can also go around and click on spots, remove out red eye. Or if you want to remove out spots right here, so there's a little spot right here, click on it and it'll be corrected, as you can see right here. You can go around and try to correct these spots right here. It'll try to smoothen things out right here, as you can see right here. So it's just basic edits that you can actually add in and get the spots however you like. So you can go around over here and click on undo all to go back to the beginning as well, or redo all right here to redo out individual things right here. So if I were to press Ctrl Z, it undoes everything one by one right here, so that you do not undo out everything over here. So that is what you can do. And what you can do now is you can go around and save the photo that overwrites the original photo, or save a copy so that it saves out a copy of the file and the original remains untouched. So if you were to go back over here, you can see that there's the edited photo right here and there's the original. So that is how you can use the photo editing capabilities of photos in Microsoft Windows 11. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.